So Mitchie's taking me on the first ride since the throttle body spacer has been installed.
This is the closest the premium fam will ever get a day with Mitch. So we're doing a day with Mitch right now. Welcome to Day with Mitch intro.
Now I'm in a bad mood again. Happy? Alright guys, we're gonna do a throttle body install. Thanks to Jefe. This is the beginning of its own video. Holy shit, this is pressure.
This is all you.
What is up guys? Welcome to another video on the Premium Auto Styling YouTube channel. I guess we're doing a day with Mitch. So welcome to an intro of Can We Wrap That? Just kidding. Today's a very special video for me because we are actually working on my car. We are going to be doing the AFE throttle body install. AFE has been super cool. They've hooked up Daniel's truck with a bunch of parts. They hooked up me with the throttle body spacers and are also working on getting me their Takeda intakes. Before we get into the video, I did want to announce that Premium Auto Styling is having a 20% off sale for the 4th of July.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn?
Go to our website and use code July 4th right here. Right, Jefe?
No, look, right there.
Right here. All right.
Now move. It's right here now.
July 4th, right here. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's see if this AFE install is just as easy as they say it is. All right, first part of the install that we have to do is we actually have to remove the strut tower brace here. Basically what it is it's 3 14mm bolts on each side, 2 bolts and then 1 nut. And then also, I've taken the liberty of already taking off this cap right here. This goes up here, just kind of clips into place. You'll see 2 pop clips, and the rest is just clips along the back. That'll expose 2 more 14mm bolts, and then we'll pull this off. Now that we have the strut tower brace off, we do have pretty solid access to the throttle bodies, to the intakes. Like I said, you're gonna be seeing this again later when they do supply the Takeda intakes. That install video is gonna come soon. What we're gonna start with is loosening the hose clamp up here. Break that air inlet hose loose. So, got the throttle body separated from there. Now I believe the only thing left to do is insert the spacer, then clamp it all together, and it's gonna sit like this now, basically just to allow more airflow. For those of you that don't know what a throttle body spacer is, neither do I, it's fine. No, I'm just kidding. The throttle body spacer, if you see, makes better airflow, as well as having these little grooves. You'll see that the stock throttle body in here is smooth. And so what these grooves do, they're supposed to basically create a better vortex to help mix the fuel and the air, just to create a bit better combustion. The big gains are still yet to come on this car. I've been kind of tentative on what I'm gonna be doing with the car, if I'm gonna be keeping it or trading it in, getting a Q50 or something like that. They're all kind of things that I've thought about. If you guys have any other suggestions for parts that I should be adding to the build, comment below, let me know. I know everybody's gonna say supercharge it, turbocharge it, everything like that. Those are definitely in the plans, but a lot further along. Let me know, comment below, tag your people. Let's get this car built. All right, so now we're gonna install the spacer onto it. What you're gonna be doing is the engraved side is gonna go on the throttle body side, and the sticker's gonna be facing up towards the hood. So just insert it like that. Also make sure to throw your gasket on. That's just gonna help airflow and keep air from escaping there. Right now I'm just reinstalling the hose for the intake. It's a little more difficult now that you have the spacer on there, like an inch spacer. The hose definitely is pliable, so you can get it back in.
Is this the closest they'll get to a day with Mitch?
No, I did a day with Mitch. I just said I don't want to take the camera home with me and wake up with the camera facing me in bed and show them me brushing my teeth and taking a shower. I'll do a day here all day, but I just don't think they watch to see me wake up and take my dogs for a walk in the morning and brush my teeth. And
comment down below, guys, if you want to see him wake up and take his dogs for a walk.
Alright, so the install on the throttle body spacers is done. Last thing I have to do is throw on a strut tower brace.
Can you take me for a ride?
Sure.
Can I film it?
Sure.
Let's go. Is that a custom one?
Yeah.
Especially for you?
Yep.
Ray's custom? No premium logo?
It was, I didn't know he was doing it the same day.
That's tight. I like that. All right, so tell me this, Mitch. What's a fast car that you smoked? Or what's a car that people think is fast that you smoked?
Johnny thought his car was fast
Focus ST?
until I walked his ass.
So you walked the Focus ST.
Uh-huh.
What else?
Still have to go head to head with Misa.
Still gotta race the Type R. Type R race has gotta happen. You know, you scared him so bad he went back to Texas.
Moved to Texas. Misa, don't be scared.
Hey, you wanna race?
Yeah.
You wanna race?
Is your car gonna smoke me?
I don't think so.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a 2 Series, just a little 2 Series.
Little 2 Series BMW?
I don't want to get smoked by a 2 Series today.
Look at his
Yeah,
shirt! That's
especially-
badass! If you get smoked by him and wearing that shirt, you're done.
There's
So-
no check engine lights.
No
just
check engine
A
lights.
light telling me I have no gas.
So Mitchie's taking me on the first ride since the throttle body spacer has been installed. He says the car's like 500 horsepower now, right? Is that what it is?
I think it was 800 actually.
800 horsepower out of the 370Z. So yeah, he probably has like the fastest 370Z on the planet. So listen to it. Woo! Woo! Shit. Damn. Good old Bildo wants to race you back there. You're going down.
You're doing a lot of talking for somebody that's not driving.
I'm a fucking instigator.
So the auto spacers didn't really help my boy Mitch. You know, it kind of took him out. So this guy's like pretty quiet over there. I don't know if you guys can see him.
Alright, so that is the end. I have a few more parts coming for this build specifically. But let us know if you guys like this video.
The camera doesn't want to focus on your face. For some reason it's picking the car because it's so much white. I gotta zoom in a little bit more.
Yo! Happy 4th of July! Woo! That was lame.